Hello guys, this is Ronald from We Just Talking About Willis. We have a new product that's going to be launching this Saturday called Newbie Affiliate Playbook Review. Sounds pretty interesting. I'm not going to waste too much of your time, so I'm going to let Steven take you right into the members area.
Hey guys, Stephen Harvey here, and welcome into the members area of the Newbie Affiliate Playbook. So really a couple of things I wanted to talk to you about, covering stuff more for newcomers and then stuff more for experienced marketers. So the course is an 11-part module course, taking you right the way through the start of an affiliate promotion through to the end. And it also includes a case study of an affiliate promotion I ran last month in February for a 6-figure launch, and I managed to do a 5-figure promotion with a small list. So I outperformed my list several times over in that promotion, and you get to see exactly how I done it inside this course. So as you can see, kind of going through the modules, it starts off with more sort of beginner friendly things, how to find guaranteed 6-figure leaderboards, etc., and then kind of goes through into the real sort of the nitty gritty of the course that more experienced marketers would be interested in. How to position yourself correctly for promotion towards your list, how to maximize your open rates and click-through rates, how to run successful converting and back-end webinars, etc. So that's the kind of stuff you get inside the Newbie Affiliate Playbook, and I think your list, your audience will love it too if they're looking to take their affiliate promotions to the next level, to 5 figures every time. So yeah, absolutely, take a look and let me know what you think, and if you've got any questions, please feel free to contact myself or my partners Paul O'Keefe or Richard Fairbairn, and we'll be seeing you next time. Thanks.